Students, we will start next part of this chapter, methods of solving quadratic equation. There are three methods of solving quadratic equation. That is, first one, factorization method. The second one, completing square, and third, formula method. Now we first see the factorization method. Now solve the equation by factorization method. Keep some points in mind. First, that is given equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. This is the standard form. Now, how to solve this quadratic equation? This is the middle term b. So, first, we split up this middle term is b1 and b2. So, first we sum the b1 plus b2 is equal to b, and multiplication of this b1 into b2 is equal to multiplication of a into c. So this is the main thing in this factorization method. So now we see the one example, x square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. So to solve by factorization method, how we split up this 7? So there is a many factor of 7. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. So 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, and 4 into plus 3 is equal to 7. So but multiplication of this 1 and 6 is equal to 12, not equal to 12. Multiplication of 2 and 5 is equal to 12, not equal to 12. But multiplication of 4 and 3 is equal to 7. So we take this factor 4 and 3. Means their addition of 7 and their multiplication become a 12. So put this value in this equation. So x square plus 4 plus 3x plus 12 is equal to 0. So separate this, x square multiply x, 4x plus 3x plus 12 is equal to 0. So underline this 2 factor, common in these two x. So here remain x plus 4 in the bracket. Here sign plus, so we write here plus. Then common in these two 3. There x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now see here, these two brackets are same. So common these two brackets, x plus 4 remain x plus 3 equal to 0. Now x plus 4 and x plus 3. In this bracket, which is the sign? That is the multiplication. When product of the two number is 0, then at least one of them become a 0. So we write here x plus 4 equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x 4 here plus, that side minus. So x equal to minus 4. Here also same, x equal to minus 3. So here the solution of x become a minus 4 or a minus 3. This is the roots of equation. Minus 3 and minus 4 are roots of equation. Now we see the next, that is the practice set 2.2. Practice set 2.2. Now we see the first example. That is, solve the given equation by factorization method. See the first example, x square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. Now, how do we factor this 15 minus 15? So factors of 15, there is the 13 plus 2, then 12 plus 3, another is a 10 plus 5, now again 8 plus 7, 9 plus 6. These are the factors. But multiplication we want, there is a 54. So 13 into 2 is 26. 12 into 3, that is the 36. 10 into 5, 50. 8 into 7, not 54. But 9 into 6 become a 54. So our factor become a 9 into 6. Why? Because their multiplication become 54, and here minus 9 minus 6 is equal to minus 50, and minus 9 minus 6 multiply, we form 54. So this is our factor. So all of you know how to find out factors. So put in this equation, x square minus 9x minus 6x plus 54 is equal to 0. Now common in these two x. x minus 9 minus 6, here sign minus, so we write here minus, but here sign change because outside the bracket there is a minus sign, so here minus 9 is equal to 0. Now see, these two brackets are same, so common this bracket, minus 6 minus 9, remain that x minus 6 equal to 0. So here sign become a multiply, so x minus 9 equal to 0 or x minus 6 equal to 0. So here 9 minus, that side plus, here also minus 6, that side become a plus. So 9 and 6 are the roots of quadratic equation. Students, now we see the other type of example, practice set 2.2, example number 3rd. See the example, 2y square plus 27y plus 13 is equal to 0. Here 27 is a b, so we split up this, and this is the a is equal to 2 and c is equal to 13. So multiplication of a and c, 13 into 2, 26. So 13 into 2 is equal to 26 and 27. So middle part, that is the b. So split up in this form, that is the 26 plus 1 is equal to 27 and 26 into 1 is equal to 26. So this is our factor. So put in this equation. So 26 plus 1 is equal to 27 and 26 into 1 is equal to 26. So 2y square plus 26 plus 1 plus 13 is equal to 0. Separate this, y square plus 26y plus y is equal to plus 13 is equal to 0. Now underline these two factors. Common, 2y is equal to y plus 13. And here plus sign, so we write here plus. Here common, y plus 13. No common, so we write here 1. So y plus 13 is equal to 0. Now see here, y plus 13, this is the two same bracket. So common this, y plus 13 multiply 2y plus remain, what is the 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. So now in these two brackets their sign become a multiplication. So y plus 13 is equal to 0 or 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. 13 here plus, that side minus. So y is equal to minus 13 and 2y is equal to minus 1. 2 here multiply, that side divide. So minus 1 upon 2. Therefore minus 13 and minus 1 upon 2 are the roots of quadratic equation. Now we see the different type of example. Example number 6 in your practice set 2.2. 6x minus 2 upon x is equal to 1. So here denominator, now in this not in a standard form. So we first convert into standard form. So cancel the denominator x. So multiply x into both sides. So multiply x in equation both sides. So x into 6x minus x into 2 upon x is equal to 1 into x. So 6x square, x cancel, minus 2 here, x into 1 x. So x that side, so x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is the standard form of equation. Now here see the middle part is a minus 1. This is the b. And here the a become a 6 and c become a minus 2. So minus 12. This is our multiplication of b1 and b2. So we form the minus 12 is a multiplication and minus 1 become a b, middle part. So minus 3 plus 2 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. Minus 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 1. See here, this is the factor of minus 1. But multiplication of these, minus 3 into minus plus 2, minus 3 into plus 2, this is the minus 6, not minus 12. Minus 2 and plus 1, that is the minus 2. But minus 4 into plus 3 become a 12, minus 12. So our factor become a minus 4 plus 3. So this is put in this equation. So 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Minus 4 plus 3x, here is a minus x. So underline these two, common 2x. So what is the remain? 3x minus 2 in the bracket. Here sign plus, write here plus, here common, that is the 1. So 3x minus 2 equal to 0. See here two brackets are same. When two brackets are same, our answer become correct. So common this 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Sorry. Or two x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 3x minus 2 equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. 2 is this side minus, that side become a plus. So 3x equal to 2, x equal to 2 upon 3. Here 2x equal to minus 1 and x equal to minus 1 upon 2. Therefore 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 2 are roots of quadratic equation.